Talking about it all day is the 100th day of the second Trump administration, and it's been bringing a lot of attention to the policies and the controversies that have shaped the first few months.
We heard about some of those policy actions today, with two top Trump officials paying a visit to some of Texas A&M University's research labs. Their focus, how that research ties into one of President Trump's biggest executive orders. This is a KBTX exclusive. Anna Maynard spoke one-on-one with U.S. Secretary of Agriculture Brooke Rollins about how the first 100 days will shape the next 3 years. Anna?
U.S. Secretary of Agriculture Brooke Rollins told me a big part of her work, a massive part of her work, is dedicated to reforming those federal nutrition programs. 100 days, 142 executive orders, one commission to, quote, make America healthy again, chaired by Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. Under that umbrella falls policy proposals like eliminating junk food from SNAP.
Nearly 100 million Americans are obese in a country.
But under current SNAP guidelines, hot food options like rotisserie chickens aren't eligible, while sodas and candies are. When I spoke with Secretary of Agriculture Brooke Rollins one-on-one, she told me that's something she's working alongside state governors to improve, including Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders of Arkansas.
And her whole thing was rotisserie chicken, get that in and get sugary drinks and junk food out. So yes, that's a massive part of it.
Secretaries Rollins and Kennedy also came to Aggieland with a big announcement. By the end of the year, we'll have a new version of the dietary guidelines for Americans.
Now we'll have it done by the late summer or early autumn. And it's going to be simple, it's going to be user-friendly, and it is going to stress the simplicity of local foods of a whole.
The Texas A&M Institute for Advancing Health Through Agriculture, one of the places the secretaries visited, houses research focused on the relationship between the food we eat and chronic disease rates.
We have scientists, about 600 scientists across the state, that are working to try and make agriculture the solution for health.
Secretaries Kennedy and Rollins praised the research being done.
The thing that Secretary Rollins and I really asked them is, how do we replicate this program across the country? How do, when we visit other agricultural colleges, how do we get them involved?
Hoping its findings shape future policy plans.
A lot of the work that we're doing now is going to have an impact on our food system between now and the next 20 years.
Those dietary guidelines for Americans undergo regular updates every 5 years. Live in College Station, Anna Maynard, News 3.